Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make this amazingly delicious Cabio pepper pot. I know you might be wondering what is Cabio. That is a really good fish. I know a lot of people really don't know about it, but if you or when you go to your fishery market, you can ask about Cabio if they do carry it. Alright, it's really thick and it's absolutely delicious, and it's also a skilled fish. So there I'm adding my green seasoning, some onion powder, some garlic powder. If you don't have house green seasoning, that is just fine. Then I'm going in with my bouillon, my complete seasoning, some black pepper. And to make this pepper pot, you must have castor. Now this one I got from New York, and this one I got from Amazon. Please do not purchase this nonsense. Like, no way. You may also find that one on my Amazon storefront. Right, you're gonna pour some of the castor in there. Not to worry, I'll leave the amount that I use here in the description box. And you are going to marinate this well. I did add some dry thyme as well. You can see how this is looking. I add some cinnamon stick, some sour spice, some onions, some sliced onions, and some clove powder. And I am going to marinate this overnight. This is the next day. So I'll pour this into my large pot here. And we are going to cook this for about 30 to 35 minutes. And this fish is going to remain whole. All right, this fish is absolutely delicious. We're gonna add our orange peel, and this is what it looks like. Now this is going to spring its own water. If you need to add some water, you can add about half a cup. You can add a little bit of sugar and balance the flavor. Now you can adjust that to your likeness and taste. Now mine was absolutely delicious. This was eaten with some homemade bread. I'll leave the link to my bread recipes as well. You guys just have to check this out. And you can also check out the rest of my pepper pot video. For the vegetarians, I do have the mushroom pepper pot, and I do have my absolutely delicious meat pepper pot. But look at this fish, guys. Can you believe this is the fish? Yeah, it cooked for about 40 minutes and it still holds the integrity. It is absolutely amazing. I just can't wait for y'all to try it. So if you guys are new to my channel, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment on this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.